Hello, welcome to my broadcast. My name is Anita Bryan. This is my channel, Anita's Gossip Vlog. And tonight I'm going to be doing a quick YouTube and Facebook marketing training. I'm just going to drop a simple tip here. First of all, I'd like to welcome all of my followers, all of my subscribers to this broadcast, and I also would like to welcome new subscribers to the broadcast. After I am done with this particular training, feel free to connect with me through any one of my social media accounts that I will have listed under this video. Feel free to comment in the comment section of this video. Feel free to let me know what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, again, welcome to the family. It's all love, purity, and engagement and enjoyment here. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends and any of your entrepreneur network marketing friends to kind of help them grow their social media business as well. The number one tip I would like to give today is when you like and comment and share on lots of posts, your views and your followers will grow organically. And what I mean by organically is it will grow um, without you having to use paid advertisement. A lot of times when people start out in network marketing, they don't have the money to invest in tools and and paid traffic. So what you have to do, you probably have to put in a lot of work. When you get a lot of paid traffic or whatever, you get tools to automate your business, you don't have to work so hard. But when you start out in the beginning of network marketing and just starting with a small budget or a low budget or really zero budget at all, you need all the strategies and little tips that you need to grow your business until you're able to build yourself up unto that level. Um, Basically, I love to target newbies, anybody that's new, because when I first started marketing, the first year was so hard for me. I didn't make any money, but when I took time out to pay for training and I got a really great mentor and someone to coach me, that is when I began to making money in network marketing, and that's when I began to, you know, bringing in leads effortlessly. If you don't have leads coming into your business, it doesn't matter what you're doing. If you're a YouTuber, if you are a Facebooker, Instagram, or whatever, Twitter type person, it doesn't matter. You have to have constant leads and constant followers coming in daily, especially if you're promoting different things. Now, on YouTube, I grew my channel. I started like last Thursday or last Friday, posted videos, and I've already reached 100 followers, 100 plus followers. But I do that by supporting other people. And a lot of times when people come into network marketing, they hate to like a person's post because some people are in secret competition with you. You have to get that competition mindset out of your um personality, because it will block you in business a whole lot. When you're working online, it's the one I'll say that 40% of it is supporting people, and you have to support people and get to know people and in order to grow your business. When you give to others, then that spirit of giving will return back to you. I mean, you cannot be in business and hold a tight hand. Anytime I see anyone's post, I don't care who it is, I will like their post. I share their post if I can. Because I can't always share it to my page because I have a different type of content that's tailored to a certain market that I'm trying to reach. But what I will do is I will like and I will comment. And on Facebook, when you like someone's post and commented on someone's post, it shows up in the news feed of not just your news feed, but your friends' news feed. So that gives you people a view and of that person's post in your news feeds and in your news feed or whatever. So you can support people like that. A lot of times we can't always join everyone's business. So support comes in many different ways. So a like, a comment, and a share would mean so much to a person that's struggling. That would really help them out. A like, share, and a comment. If you can't share, then at least like and comment. It doesn't take much. It's free. Just takes you taking action and putting in a little bit of love effort. I call it love effort. Show a little bit of love each day to someone, and the universe will show love back to you. That's why I be so successful on each one of my networks, and I work each of my networks daily. I post to Instagram every other day if I can't do it daily, and then I post to Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter daily. So and I love what I do. I would do it even if I didn't make any money. The making money part, if you want to learn how to make money online, feel free to contact me. I can tell you some things, but a lot of people are different, and people are in different situations. So I really love working one-on-one with people. So if you need help doing that, just contact me and let me know. But if you really want to really grow your social media business, um, especially YouTube and Facebook, like on posts, comment, share if you can, especially on YouTube. When you like in the comment section and you like the videos, and when you um comment in the comment section, it widens your reach. So it causes your video to get more views and to be circulated more in different news feeds. And then sometimes when you start commenting, people will follow you or subscribe to your videos or whatever. They'll come and check you out if they're feeling your vibe. So engage. You can't just sit there and post videos and think you're gonna get views and likes or whatever. But I'm going to end this particular training, and I hope you guys got value from it. If you got any value from it, please feel free to comment below and let me know what you think. Feel free to contact me through my different social networks. Don't forget to like the video, comment your point of view. All views are welcome, good or bad. Subscribe to this channel. Share this video, especially if you have teams. Feel free to use my video to help your people, because I love helping people. This is what we do. This is what it's all about, is just helping others. So and don't forget to hit that little bell, that notification bell, so that you can get notified each time I drop a new vlog or a new training video. And I just want to thank you in advance for all the support and love that you're showing my channel. And I wish you much peace and love. If you've gotten value from this video, feel free to donate to this channel. If you love what you see and what you hear and would like to continue to see more and help me upgrade the channel, my payment information is also listed below this video. Peace and love, guys. Have an awesome morning, evening, and night. God bless you.